As our world becomes increasingly digital, the infrastructure that powers our lives is reaching a breaking point. Massive data centers consume vast amounts of land and water for cooling, straining our planet's finite resources. By 2040, it is estimated that data centers will devour 20% of Earth's total electricity. We need a sustainable solution. The solution lies not on the ground, but above us. A bold transition into the final frontier of computing. In the vacuum of space, we are deploying modular data centers that unfold like mechanical flowers, harnessing infinite solar energy and dissipating heat into the void. These stations represent the next leap in efficiency. Orbiting high above the atmosphere, these stations operate in perfect silence and zero gravity, protected from the elements. Using ultra-high-speed laser communications, they beam data down to ground relay stations across the globe instantly. Inside, quantum processors operate with unparalleled precision, free from the seismic vibrations and thermal limitations of our planet. Our brightest minds monitor these networks through holographic dashboards, managing a global grid that never sleeps. As more modules join the cluster, a digital halo begins to form, a testament to human ingenuity and the future of connectivity. This isn't just for tech giants. It is for the student in Lagos accessing the world's library with zero latency. It is for the farmer in Bangladesh using real-time climate data to protect his harvest and feed his community. Universal connectivity is finally within reach, bridging the digital divide and uniting our civilization through shared knowledge. But humanity doesn't stop at orbit. The next step is already being built.
The year is 2087. Welcome to Artemis City, a thriving lunar civilization that has become humanity's first true home away from Earth. It began with a single brick. Rugged construction drones worked tirelessly, turning lunar regolith into the foundations of our future. Look up, and you see the blue marble we once called home. But here, the horizon is filled with the domes of a new world. Inside, the city is a sanctuary of life. Massive vertical gardens stretch toward artificial suns, providing oxygen and food for 12,000 residents. In the low gravity of the moon, movement is an art form. The first generation of lunar children navigate this world with a grace unknown on Earth. Daily life mirrors the markets of old, but with a futuristic twist. In the bazaar, almost everything is printed on demand from local materials. Independence is powered by the moon itself. Fusion reactors harvest helium-3 from the soil, providing limitless energy to sustain our growing nation. Efficiency defines our movement. Maglev trains zip through transparent vacuum tubes, connecting the far reaches of the lunar plains in minutes. Every drop of water is precious. Robotic systems at the South Pole work constantly to extract ice, the lifeblood of our lunar existence. Artemis City is self-sufficient, even in health. Advanced medical bays utilize robotic surgeons to ensure the well-being of every citizen. As a new culture emerges, our identity shifts. We are no longer just visitors. We are Selenites, with our own stories and perspectives. The youth of Artemis City look at Earth with curiosity, sketching a world they have never visited, yet one that still calls to them. Art has found a new canvas. Huge light projections turn the crater walls into masterpieces, celebrating the history of human exploration. But humanity doesn't stop at orbit. The next step is already being built. Artemis City is not the destination. It is the springboard to the stars. The red planet is no longer a dream. It is the next frontier. Soon, a new horizon will rise, and humanity will take its place among the planets, forever moving forward into the unknown.
We are no longer a single-planet species. We are the civilization that refused to stay still. Across the void, we finally found home. A massive transport ship cuts through the thin pink Martian atmosphere, its hull shimmering with the orange glow of atmospheric entry. Landing gears deploy over the vast plains near Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the entire solar system, standing as a silent sentinel. Dust settles as the airlock opens, revealing a world once barren, now teeming with the potential of human ingenuity and life. A Martian explorer steps onto the rust-red soil, the golden visor of their advanced exosuit reflecting a beautiful, hazy violet sunrise. The year is 2140. 2.3 million souls now call the red planet their permanent home, living under a new sun. Across the equatorial belt, cathedral-sized atmospheric processors vent life-giving gases into the darkening sky, changing the world forever. Once frozen canyons now host streams of liquid water, carving new paths through the ancient red dust and bringing hydration to the desert. Genetically engineered moss spreads like a dark green velvet carpet across the landscape, thriving under the warm amber glow of the morning. Beneath the surface, in colossal lava tubes formed eons ago, lies Novo Terra, a metropolis that defies gravity and expectation. Upside-down skyscrapers hang from the cavern ceilings like stalactites of glass and steel, their lights twinkling like stars in a subterranean heaven. A recycled water river flows through the city center, its banks lined with lush parks and vibrant community spaces for all to enjoy. Here, citizens walk in casual clothes, breathing air manufactured by the city's vast life support systems, free from the constraints of suits. They gather in cafes, sharing music and stories, far removed from the harsh vacuum and extreme temperatures of the space outside. Our evolution hasn't just been technological, it has been biological, adapting to the unique demands of our new red home. Martian citizens possess UV-resistant skin, a subtle bioengineered trait designed for the sun's unfiltered rays on the surface. In high-tech labs, scientists of diverse backgrounds conduct experiments that push the very boundaries of known physics. They harness antimatter, working on the propulsion systems that will carry us even further into the dark reaches of the galaxy. A Martian university broadcasts holographic lectures across the void, teaching students on the Moon and back on old Earth. Mars has become the technological beacon of humanity, leading the way into a future we once only dreamed of in science fiction. But we are not stopping here. Our ambition reaches toward the outer rim, toward the gas giants and the moons beyond. The camera pulls back, leaving the glowing warmth of Novo Terra and soaring through the thin, life-sustaining Martian atmosphere. We pass the moons of Jupiter, where research outposts flicker against the backdrop of the massive, swirling gas giant. The entire solar system is now a web of interconnected settlements, blinking like fireflies in the vast cosmic night. Every light represents a bridge, a colony, a dream, realized by the brave pioneers of the Red Planet and beyond. From Mercury to the Kuiper Belt, the human spirit continues to expand, driven by an insatiable curiosity and courage. We are the explorers of the deep. We are the architects of the stars, no longer bound by a single world or a single destiny. As we look out into the infinite galaxy, we know that this is only the beginning of our journey across the heavens. Mars was the first step. The rest of the universe is waiting for us to make our mark and call it home. We are the civilization that refused to stay still. Our story is now written among the stars forever.